Hello everyone, welcome back to my JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn what are loops, why loops are important. Today we will discuss about for loop, while loop, do while loop, break statement, continue statement, nested loops, and real-world examples. Loops are one of the most important concepts in programming. Without loops, repeating tasks becomes difficult, games won't work properly, data processing becomes slow, and automation becomes impossible. So let's master loops in JavaScript. Section 1. What are loops? Loops are used to repeat code multiple times automatically. Instead of writing the same code again and again, loops help us execute code efficiently. Real-world examples: Instagram notifications, YouTube comments, ATM transaction history, online shopping product lists, game score updates. Section 2 for loop. For loop is used when we know how many times the loop should run. Syntax. For initialization, condition, increment. Here you write the code. Example. For let I equal to 1. I is lesser than equal to 5, I++. Console.log I, explanation. Start from 1, run until 5, increase value by 1. Output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Section 3, while loop. While loop runs while the condition is true. Syntax, while condition. Here you write the code. Example, let I equal to 1, while I lesser than equal to 5. Console.log I++. Explanation, condition checks first. Loop runs while condition is true. Section 4, do while. Loop. Do while loop executes code at least one time. Syntax, do. Here you write the code. While condition. Example, let I is equal to 1, do, console.log I++. While I less than equal to 5. Explanation, code runs first, then condition checks. Section 5. Break statement. Break statement stops the loop immediately. Example, for let I equal to 1, I is lesser than equal to 5, I++. Console.log I. If I is equal to 5, break, console.log I, output, 1, 2, 3, 4. Section 6, continue statement. Continue statement skips the current iteration. Example, for let I equal to 1, I is lesser than equal to 5, I++. Console.log I. If I is equal to 3, continue. Console.log I. Output, 1, 2, 4, 5. Section 7. Nested loops. A loop inside another loop is called nested loop. Example, for let I equal to 1, I is lesser than equal to 3, I++. Console.log row I. For let j equal to 1, j is lesser than equal to 2, j++. Console.log column j output. It will print the 3-row 2 column. Section 8 real-world uses of loops. Loops are used everywhere. Social media feeds, banking systems, games, online forms, e-commerce websites, full-stack applications, and data processing systems. Section 9. Common beginner mistakes. Infinite loops, missing increment, wrong condition, and using semicolon incorrectly. Summary of the video. Today we learned for loop, while loop, do while loop, break statement, continue statement, nested loops, and real-world examples. In the next video, we'll learn basic interviews question and most asked questions. If the video is helpful, like this video, share it with your coding friends, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, keep growing. Let's see on next video.